In iOS 17, you can name drop your contact information with a cool contact poster. Here is how you can create one. In the phone app, tap on Contacts and select My Card. Next, tap on Contacts, Photo and Poster. In this section, you can choose what name you want to appear on your contact poster and who you want to share your contact poster with. Once you've done that, then tap on the Edit button. Now the fun part begins. You can choose a photo, an emoji, or a monogram to appear on the contact poster as you. There are a variety of emojis you can choose from, and each emoji comes with a variety of different expressions to represent how you're feeling on different days. You can also turn on and off the depth effect and easily change the emoji if you don't like the first one. The final customization step is to pick the background color you like. There's a wide variety of colors, gradients to choose from. Tap Done to preview your contact poster and follow the on-screen instructions to save it. Will you be creating contact posters? Let us know in the comment section. Like and follow for more.